Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, man, I'm gonna be on the Camaro again. I want to try to make the interior a little bit better. So I'm gonna start off. Let me show y'all guys what I got. What I want to do, I want to try to make this interior look a little bit better. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to be removing this gear shift knob right here, and I'm gonna replace it with this right here. It's a Hurst pistol grip billet shifter. So this is for an automatic cars. It's for the 2016 through 2024 Camaro. So we'd be replacing this right here, and we're gonna be installing this right here. I want to try to change up the interior a little bit. I might want to do some carbon fiber later on in certain areas. I like to get this right here replaced with carbon fiber. I think it'll look really good. I seen a car with it, and I really like that look of the carbon fiber. And probably do some touch-ups around here somewhere. Do some carbon fiber inside the door. But definitely I want to change the look with this. Hopefully it'll change the look of this car. So with that being said, guys, let's get started and removing this shifter. Okay, so we're going to remove this right here. And like I say, this right here is what we're going to be replacing it with. This pistol grip style shifter right here. It's a pretty nice looking piece. Yeah, and this is for the automatic. So, all right. So from the instruction, it's telling you that that you have to remove this panel right here. But I think we can get this right here and probably just pop this up, and then we'll go from there. Where's that screwdriver at? So I think we can get up underneath here. I don't want to scratch any of this right here, so let me go get a rag or something so I can lay inside this piece right here, so I don't want to scratch it or put any marks on it. Okay, I thought we can get in between here, but it don't look like we can. So like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and do the instructions. I thought we can get away with just removing this benzel right here. We probably could, but it looks like it's sealed up, I think. So I don't think we're going that way. So what we're gonna do is gonna go through the back way from right here. Just pop this up a little bit. Yeah, I'm scared of. Hold on. Let's see this right here. All right, then let's try it. Oh, shoot. All right. So we got that side loose. Go on that side. That's it. Oops, sorry, guys. There we go. So we got the center part open. All right, next thing we need to do, we need to drop this little pin right here, this piece, the chrome piece right there. Yeah, I'm really scared that I'll damage something. I'm kind of nervous about this. So let's go inside here. All right. There we go. And now there's a pin or something inside here that we're gonna have to remove. Let me find it. These on this side right here. All right, let me look around real quick. Okay, what I did, there's like a little clamp right here I had to push out. There's a little securing tab. As you can see, it's right inside there. So we'll have to remove that. Sorry guys for all this moving around. Try and give y'all the best angle. There it is. Here's a little tab that goes inside there. There you go. And that right there is removed. Now we'll go in the house and finish putting this together. All right, the next thing that we got to do, we'll have to remove this piece right here. It's supposed to be glued on. So what you got to do, you got to at least pry some of this away, get this glue off this to remove this right here. So let's try this. Let's see if we can. Don't want to rip it. So what I'm doing, I'm just pushing this side here, trying to break it loose. Just trying to break the glue loose. Okay. It's coming out pretty good. There it is. Just remove that right there. And the next thing you do, get this. I'm gonna just stick that inside here, like that. I'm gonna use this right here. I don't want to scratch anything up. So, man, we got that on. The next thing we need to do is, where is it? There it is. There it is. All right. Get that where I want it. And it comes with this right here, this zip tie. Now we're just gonna put it around here. This thing's moving everywhere. All right. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is just wrap it around this, like that. All right. Okay, I think that's about the tight as I can get it. So, I'll go ahead and cut this right here off. And there you go. So now what we gotta do is just go and install it. And of course it comes with this set screw right here. So let's go out here and then reinstall this. Okay, and what I did, I went on and put the set screw in there, and then we'll go ahead and reinstall it. So. Let's see. All right, got that in there. Then all we gotta do is go ahead and just tighten up our set screw. So, and then we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, this is a nice piece right here. I think they start offering this probably about a few years ago. A pistol grip for the automatic. All right. There it goes, guys. Let's fix this up a little bit. Now let's see if it works. I love the way it handles right here. It's pistol grip, pretty good. Got your selection right here. Yep, I like it. It's pretty good. So guys, what do y'all think? Y'all like this one better? I really do. I really like it. Changed the look a little bit. It feels good. It feels really good. Yeah, I kind of like it. Because when I'm driving anyway, I'm always got my hand on the knob anyway, so it'll work out good for me. And just a grip, it just feels really good. It feels really good. Okay, this thing is quick. Usually a cop hanging out up here, so I don't want to get in trouble. But this is a fun car to drive. See, right there he is. I tell you what I love about this car is the takeoff, the exhaust sound, and the shift points. Listen. This thing's bad. If the car wasn't loud, you could really hear the supercharged line. I think there's a cop lives over there, so I don't want to get my car marked. He'd be up there sitting waiting on me or anything like that. So I see you already got somebody. right, guys, that's gonna wrap up the video, guys. I just want to get y'all opinion, what y'all thinking about the new gear shift I have in there, the billet pistol grip. For y'all who wants to know what kind it is, right here is the part number. And like I said, you can order it off of Summit. That's where I got mine at. So y'all leave in the comments what y'all think about it. Y'all like the stock one, or do you like the new pistol grip? And from that, a lot of people have been asking about any updates on the car, on the Grand National. It's still been sitting here. I've been out because of my back, so I was not able to work on this thing. So I think what I'm gonna do, if I gotta take the transmission out, I'm gonna go ahead and drive it for a little bit. And since I gotta get it rebuilt, I'll probably just go ahead and take it to the track and see what it do. If the transmission go out, it's so be it. It's gonna have to get rebuilt anyway or looked at. So, but that's where I'm at with this right here. So, and I think this right here is almost out of gas. I need to go to the gas station and get some gas. Yeah. But yeah, I still have it. It's still sitting here. Still looking good. All right, guys, that's going to be it, man. So like I say, it's your first time watching the channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Like the video, share it. Hit that bell notification. If y'all return subscribers, go ahead and hit that bell notification so you know when I post another video. With that being said, guys, y'all enjoy your day, and I'm out. Peace.